Touch Media to access the media screen. You can also operate media using the steering wheel controls or the voice system. Use the media control to switch the system on and off, or adjust the volume. Touch the Settings icon and then select the audio settings to adjust the bass, treble, and subwoofer levels. Touch Source to access the Select Source screen. Touch Radio to listen to the radio. Touch Band to change the radio band. Use the Find option to search for stations by list, frequency input, or genre. Both Station List and Genre display a list of stations. Select your chosen station from the list. Touch the Favorites icon to save the station to your favorites. Portable media devices need to be connected via the portable media sockets. These are located as shown. Once connected, select the displayed device. To import media into the car memory, touch the Settings icon, followed by Media Player Settings. Next, select Manage Car Memory or Import to Car Memory. This will allow media to be imported and stored for playback through the media library. Touch Media Library to watch or listen to imported media. Use the controls to pause or play. Touch the arrows to skip forward or back. Alternatively, touch or drag the progress bar to the required position, or swipe the screen to move to the next or previous chapter or track. Use the Find option to search the media library. While watching videos, touch the image to view the playback controls. Touch the Zoom icon to adjust the view. Touch Television to watch the television. Use the Find options to search for stations. Select What's On to view the program guide, or Channel List to view by list. Touch the Favorites icon to save the channel to your favorites.